Better shoot at something.
Nah, you was hitting them steel targets with it.
Okay.
Shoot whatever you want.
Sit like that, right?
Put that front thumb. Yeah, that's good. I put that thumb up here myself, but
Okay.
and I wrap these fingers down around the bottom of my hand.
Even that one? Here, I'm gonna turn that off. Safety on right there.
You can do that. You can do
I
it
like that right there.
Yeah,
Feels
there you
pretty
go.
comfortable for
But
me.
just take that finger and put it up there somewhere.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
That one?
Or just wherever it keeps it out from, so you don't get bit.
Yeah. Jerked it.
Safety on.